Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove Microsoft Bing from Windows. Alright, first of all, let's remind ourselves of what Microsoft Bing is all about. Microsoft Bing is a web search engine that was developed and operated by Microsoft. It was officially launched in 2009 as Microsoft's replacement for Live Search, MSN Search, and Windows Live Search. Now, Microsoft Bing helps us to find information on the internet, including web pages, images, videos, news, maps, directions, shopping results, travel information, and so on and so forth. There are several key features that can help you get AI powered search, visual search, Bing rewards, and so on. Now, for the purpose of this video, I want to show you how to remove Microsoft Bing from Windows. Now, the first thing you want to do is ensure that your Microsoft Edge is opened up. All right, and when you do that, it will take you to this page, or you can head over to your search browser and just type in www.microsoftbing.com and it will take you to this page. The next thing you want to do is head over to the top right corner over here and click on these three dotted icons. All right, once we do that, it will give us a list of these options. Next, you want to head over to your settings where the magic happens. When you click on settings, you will need to go to your left hand corner over here where you have a list of drop down icons, and then pick privacy, search and services, which is the third option on the list. I'll click on that and it would give me this option. Now you want to look for address bar and search, so you head over to the last option here, search and connected experiences. Click on that. On the next page, you can see address bar and search at the bottom over here. You click on that and it will take you to the next page. Now over here, Bing is already recommended as the default web browser, and we do not want that. We want to remove Bing from our web browser, so we will just change this from Bing to Google or DuckDuckGo or Yandex or Yahoo, or whichever you want to use. I'll just pick Google. So having done that, I will head over to my search engines, click on that, and I would ensure that I change Microsoft Bing from being my default web browser. If you look at Yahoo over here, you have the option to remove, so I'll just click on these three dotted icons by the right, and when I click on edit, I can remove Microsoft Bing from my web browser while I set up Google as my default web browser. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was enlightening and you've been able to learn how to remove Microsoft Bing from Windows. Until next time, bye for now.